Friends, today as we all know that cities, countries and its people across the world are interconnected and dependent upon each other. A small businessman running a garment shop in Patna can sell his clothes online to customers in Dhaka. A company in Noida that deals in manufacturing of different fragrances can look for potential customers in perfume brands in Dubai or Paris. A heavy machinery manufacturer located in Vadodara can do troubleshoot of its machinery to a client based in Munich. जी हाँ, ये सब पॉसिबल हो रहा है डिजिटल मार्केटिंग की वजह से, जिसने आईटी रेवोल्यूशन का पूरा फायदा उठाकर बिजनेस और प्रमोशन को पहले से बहुत इजी और प्रॉफिटेबल बना दिया है। फ्रेंड्स, इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे डिजिटल मार्केटिंग और इसके डिफरेंट एस्पेक्ट्स की। आइए सबसे पहले हम जानते हैं कि व्हाट इज डिजिटल मार्केटिंग। डिजिटल और मार्केटिंग के यूनिक कॉम्बिनेशन से बना है ये वर्ड डिजिटल मार्केटिंग। आज इंटरनेट हमारी लाइफ का एक बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट बन चुका है और इसके बिना सरवाइव करना बहुत ही मुश्किल है। डे टू डे लाइफ की छोटी और बड़ी ज़रूरतों के लिए आज हम पूरी तरह से इंटरनेट और इससे रिलेटेड सर्विसेज पे डिपेंड करते हैं। डिजिटल मार्केटिंग भी इंटरनेट और इससे रिलेटेड सर्विसेज का एक बहुत बड़ा एडवांटेज बन गया है। डिजिटल मार्केटिंग के यूज से बहुत सारे एसएमईज और स्टार्टअप्स जो बजट कंस्ट्रेंट्स और अदर लिमिटेशंस की वजह से एक लेवल के बाद ऊपर नहीं आ सकते थे, फॉर देम टुडे स्काई इज द लिमिट। Thanks to digital marketing, as it helps them sitting in their place to connect with wider audiences and potential clients, resulting in increasing the brand value of their company. Now, let us have a look at some of the major advantages of digital marketing. It opens leads of only interested and target clients related to the industry. It is cheaper than conventional ways of marketing. It is democratic in the sense that it gives platform to smaller players to compete with bigger brands. It is tangible, it is dynamic. Moving forward, let us have a look at different parts of digital marketing. Search engine optimization, SEO. SEO is the method to increase the online traffic or ranking of a website or a content by making it more visible in different search engines like Google, Bing, etc. In other words, it optimizes different web pages and their contents so that it is easily available to the users who are searching for relevant terms. This process helps business to grow further by connecting them and their products to newer set of potential clients. Content marketing. Content marketing, an essential part of digital marketing, is a marketing strategy conceptualized and developed by different companies to enhance the brand value of the company. This involves creation and distribution of different audio-visual contents like articles, podcasts, advertisements, poster design, online campaign, etc., which helps in attracting different customers towards their products or services. Pay per click, PPC, as the name suggests, is the mode of internet marketing where advertisers have to pay each time their ads are clicked by users. This form of advertisement leads maximum number of visitors to the concerned websites and hence helps in increasing the traffic or number of visits in the website, making it more visible in online space. Affiliate marketing is one of the oldest forms of marketing that has got a new life with the coming of internet. In this mode of marketing, influencers promote other people's products and get a commission every time a sale is made or a lead is introduced. Now we'll move towards a new and the most important segment of the video, जहां हम जानेंगे डिजिटल मार्केटर के बारे में। साथ ही ये भी जानेंगे कि डिजिटल मार्केटिंग को इतना सक्सेसफुल बनाने में डिजिटल मार्केटर का क्या रोल होता है। डिजिटल मार्केटर हैज अ वेरी सिग्निफिकेंट रोल इन अपलिफ्टिंग द ब्रांड वैल्यू ऑफ द कंपनी। They don't only generate leads of interested clients, but design the marketing campaign to make their company and products visible to the world and attracts maximum eyeballs. He is the one who makes sure that the company and its product rule the online space and make people aware about their company services and products through various tools and techniques such as social media awareness, creating and sharing meaningful content, reach out to customers through email, audio jingle, ad films, podcasts, corporate films, etc. ये तो हो गए डिजिटल मार्केटर्स के डिफरेंट रोल्स। आइए अब जानते हैं कि डिजिटल मार्केटर बनने के लिए किन सारी स्किल्स की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है। टेक सेवी, क्रिएटिव, रैशनल थिंकर, great marketing skills, good written and oral communication skills, aware with current marketing trend, content writing. Another important part of digital marketing, which we will talk about in a little more detail, is social media marketing. Social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, etc. have increasingly dominated the market landscape and become number one choice for users and businesses all across the world. These modes not only help in promoting the brand, but also make people aware about the features and USP of the products and services. It really helps in finding association with prospective buyers even in the remotest part of the country or the world, and thus helps companies increase their sales turnover and make further progress. Conventional marketing की limitations जैसे कि limited reach, higher cost, slow speed को overcome करके सोशल मीडिया मार्केटिंग ने स्मॉल बिजनेसेस और स्टार्टअप्स को भी एक चांस दिया है कि वो भी इस कॉम्पिटिटिव मार्केट में सर्वाइव कर सकें और नए क्लाइंट्स के साथ एसोसिएट होकर अपने बिजनेस को ग्रो कर सकें। अगर हम डिजिटल मार्केटिंग के फ्यूचर के बारे में बात करें तो ये कहना गलत नहीं होगा कि इस फील्ड में एंट्री करने वालों का करियर बहुत ही ब्राइट और सक्सेसफुल है। Digital marketing provides avenues and opportunities in not only software industry but also in marketing, advertising, medical, healthcare and many more industries. And above all, demand of digital marketing is going to rise and increase further, and hence there will be a continuous requirement of creative and skillful digital marketer. So you can also partake in this boom by becoming an expert digital marketer. So here we come at the end of this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment on our YouTube channel Ducat India.